The world we live in right now is very unpredictable. Keeping yourself protected and safe is going to be something that we're all going to have to look at in the future. And unfortunately, part of doing so, you're going to have some sort of power in your house that is going to be regenerable without the power grid or without having fuel. And that's going to come down to a portable power station. What we have here is the Veteron Alpha 2000. This is a pure sine wave 2000 watt output continuous battery inverter. 2048 watt hours of lithium iron phosphate batteries in here. This is the Veteron EB 2000. This has 2048 watt hours also of lithium iron phosphate batteries in here. It is connected via this cable. These two units are sold separately. The battery pack is going to come with the cable that's going to be able to connect them together. On the other side of the battery pack, you can actually connect another battery pack to this one if you wanted more storage. Battery pack weighs around 50 pounds. The actual inverter is slightly heavier, and we want that weight because we know that there is something inside. The lithium iron phosphate batteries are significant inside of here, and there's a lot of good things inside here, including two places on top that you can wirelessly charge different items. When you get this, you get a standard grid power cord. You also have a 12-volt cable for charging these inside a car, and then you have another cable that you can use for solar charging. The screens on both of these units are superb. I love the black background with the white lettering. Very easy to see in different lighting. You also have great switches here. If you push and hold, it will turn it off. If you just push lightly once, it'll turn everything on. Some of the better switches I've seen on the market. You have a lot of different power output things on the front, but you can see here we are inputting off the grid 1499 watts. If you are plugging these in somewhere and you don't need the speed and you're going to be using that same circuit for other items, there is a button in the back that you can push in. It'll change from fast to slow charging, and it'll drop this down somewhere around 250 to 300 watts, and it'll allow you to completely use that circuit for something else. And that's really nice. It'll also slow charge these batteries, so if you have the time, slow charging is always better than fast charging. So you have options as to how to use this. The Alpha 2000 has 4 USB-A's, 2 standard, 2 fast charge, 2 USB-C's, both 100 watts, and you also have a 10-watt cigarette lighter outlet in the front or car adapter that's going to allow you to run almost anything you need